everyone, I'm Tomalika from Influence Technology. We represent Marg account inventory software. New financial year is knocking at our door. So what should we do? Don't worry, we are here always to help you. We have an YouTube channel named Influence Technology Sudeb. Just go and subscribe our channel for new upcoming videos. And one more thing, how to create new financial year. This video is also coming in our channel. So just go for it and subscribe our channel. And don't worry, our office executives are always there to help you. We will call from your office to give the online support. So don't worry how to create new financial year in your account inventory software. Marg Software Executive Influence Technology is always there for you. Thank you.